Hey, who likes dancing? Oh, yeah. Hey, why do animals with 4 legs make terrible dancers? It's because they've got 2 left feet. I've got another one as well. This is brilliant. What do you call someone who dances on a car? A mummy's dancer. Oh, brilliant. Oh, brilliant. Well, this story is about the time I started a hip-hop dance class in Startown. I wanted to teach everyone some of my great new moves because there was a dance competition coming up and they were asking for groups made up of girls and boys to enter the competition. I advertised my class and waited. And guess what? 10 people turned up, which wasn't bad for a first time. The only problem was they were all girls. Now, don't get me wrong, they were all brilliant, but I still needed a few boys to be in the group to be able to enter the competition. So anyway, I showed the girls some of my great hip-hop moves. You know, like the SEAGULL shuffle. Hey! Oh yeah! And everyone agreed that if we could find some lads, we would have a good chance of winning. After the lesson, I settled to find some guys. I passed the football pitch with the Startown under-10s football team were training. Aha, I thought. Maybe these guys might come along and join in with my dance class. So I asked them. They were all very happy to help, but said there were 2 reasons why they didn't think they could. The first reason was that my class was on at the same time as football training. Well, that's easily solved, I said. I'll just change the time to earlier. But the second reason was that they couldn't dance. Oh, this was a problem. Oh well, I said, never mind. Come along to my class anyway and have a go. Sure enough, the next week I made my class a bit earlier and all the boys turned up as they said they would. The idea being that they'd go on to football practice later. Brilliant, I thought. I started my class and showed them a few of my new moves like the Rubbing Rumble and the Duckling Doodle. Quack, 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 quack. They tried hard, but they were right. They couldn't dance at all. And they were going all over the place, crashing into the girls. And one lad even knocked over a vase on the windowsill. Oh dear. They did their best, but it was no good. The class ended and the lads went off to play football. Oh, I'm never going to get this group together to enter the competition, I thought. So I decided to go and give the lads some support in their football training instead. A few of the girls came along too. Hey, hands up if you've ever been to football training. Oh yeah, well it was brilliant. They had to run through tyres like this. Hey, they had to run and twist. Kick the ball, dodge the ball, and all sorts. It was then I had a brilliant idea. Why don't we convert the football training into dance moves? Hey, what a great idea, said the girls. And the football captain agreed. And with that, we practiced the next week and went along to the competition. Hey, would you guys like to see our routine? You would? Brilliant. Well, I tell you what, everybody stand up and follow me, and we'll all do it together. Okay, now drop the beat. Everybody here, are you ready for some fun? Because we're hipping and hopping, not dancing like your mum. Are you ready for some more? Well, hit that floor and follow my booty moves and you'll be number 1. Now dodge the ball. Yeah, that carnival. Run through the tyres. Hey, hey, yes, you're on fire. They pass the ball and dodge the cones. You're looking good. With the dancing bones. Brilliant, everybody. That was brilliant. Sit yourselves down again then. That's right, sit down. So, can anybody guess where we came in the dance competition? Drum roll, please. Get ready to cheer. We came 4th. Hooray! And we did get a brilliant trophy for the most original moves. Hey! And not only that, my regular hip-hop dance class has lots of girls and many boys joining in together. And it gets better. The girls were so impressed with the football training, they set up their own football team. Now, how cool is that? Well, that's the end of the story, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed yourselves. I've got to go now. I'll see you soon. Take care, everyone. And remember, keep hipping and hopping. Yo, yo, yo.
Alright, thank you, Sid, for that story. But would you like to do a dance with the boys and girls before you leave? Yeah, so boys and girls, if you all get up off on your feet, and Sid's going to do a party dance with you, and it's going to be on the screens as well.